This week we are talking about consistency over motivation, because motivation is unreliable and consistency you need to make non-negotiable. If you sit and wait until you feel ready, confident or inspired, you will be stuck. High performers do not feel more motivated than you. They just have stronger systems. That's non-negotiable. They remove the decision-making option and they show up even when they feel like they don't want to. Motivation comes when action stays consistent, not the other way around. You can't wait to be motivated to have actions implemented. I want you to define one non-negotiable habit weekly and one non-negotiable action weekly. You will notice that the moment when there's no emotions attached to your decisions, you will get shut down. I want you to take a pen and paper right now and write down your top 3 most used excuses. And then you look at them for a minute and rewrite them as solutions. Stop telling yourself that you need to do more, because the truth is you don't. You just need to stop negotiating your decisions with yourself.